This, snap your fingers, is the 2.5 liter Ultrasonic Cleaner from Harbor Freight. We're gonna check this thing out, go through all the numbers, run some tests, and see how it does. You ready, Julia? Say ready.
Ready.
Okay, so this is what you get right out of the box. Of course, the instruction manual, you have the cleaner itself, and you have a cord, which is pretty long. And when you open this bad boy up, you'll notice inside here is a plastic grate. Now, this is really important. It says right here on page 4 of the instruction manual that whatever you're cleaning must be on the plastic grate inside here. So make sure you're using the grate with whatever you're cleaning. Now, it's important to add this does not come with the cleaning solution. I bought this on eBay. It was about 15 bucks from Gamoro. It's a 1:40 concentrate, so it's gonna be 1 part solution, 40 parts water. Okay, so I have my super fancy measuring cup here. I'm gonna pour in 1 ounce of solution, and then I'll do 20 ounces of water. All right, now I got my 20 ounces in there. Let's go ahead and pour this guy in there. All right, so what I'm gonna use as the test pilot here is this old rusty railroad spike. I've had this for a number of years. Not sure why I held on to it, but it looks like this is the reason. So let's see how this thing does with an old rusty railroad spike. All right, so on this guy, you got the on button, the off button, the set button, and a TC button. All right, so you guys already know what on and off mean, but what about the set button? This sets your time. So this is gonna be 90 seconds. You can do 180, 280, 380, or 480. And this last TC button basically means heated cleaning. You hit that button, it'll heat up the solution while you're cleaning. All right, for this rusty railroad spike, I'm gonna do a regular cleaning at 280. I'll see you in 4.5 minutes. All right, it's just finished the first cycle. So let's take this thing out and check it out. And it looks literally no different at all, if you can see that. So I'm gonna put it in for another cycle and we'll try the heating function this time. All right, got it set at 280. We're gonna put the heat button on and let's go. Okay, that cycle just ended, so we're gonna take this out and see what this thing looks like. Ooh, the water's nice and hot. Holy moly, this is a huge difference. Holy cow, I'm not sure how well you guys can see this, but this thing took just about all the rust off this spike. All right, so I know my lighting isn't perfect for this, but this spike before was completely brown with rust, and now, wow, this thing looks like just with a little brushing, it would be good as new. Holy crap. So this cleaner literally took off decades of rust off this old railroad spike. That is pretty awesome. And here's a look at the water after doing 2 cycles on that spike. You can barely even see the grate on the bottom. Wow, that took a lot off. All right, guys, well, that's my review of this ultrasonic cleaner from Harbor Freight. I plan on using this for a lot of small engine projects, carburetors, and other miscellaneous parts, but it's good to know if you have an old rusty railroad spike, you can use this cleaner to get it looking almost good as new. Thank you guys for watching.